Today we had our official. Take 100. Okay.
Hey everyone, welcome to Freedom Ranch Homestead.
Today we had our official first snow of the season and we have had a blast playing in it. Be sure to stay tuned for the very end of the video so you can see some crazy antics that we had today in the snow.
Yep.
But this video is actually about how we're staying warm in this weather. A lot of people have been asking me, how do you stay warm in the yurt? Well, we have obviously a wood burning stove, as some of you have seen. And this video kind of explains a little bit about how we had it installed, Chuck doing most of the work, and how we made it look really pretty with stones that we chose from our stream in the background.
Yep.
We hope you guys enjoy the video and we wish you a very happy new year. And thank you again for all of your support in this, this journey that we're on. Last September, Bree and I did our very first tiling job for where the wood stove would be placed. The next step was to have someone come from Blue Ridge Yurts to help install the stovepipe wall unit.
We cut out an 18-inch square and then you'll have 8 screws. You can cut an X or you can cut a plus sign.
Soon after, Chuck and Bree got to work installing the stovepipe and hooking up the stove.
Bolting in the L brackets. So we're building the superstructure that will hold this chimney like nobody's ever built one before. And it will be, once again, over-engineered, designed to withstand hurricanes, gale forces.
I had to step away for a little bit, but when I came back, Chuck and the kids had completed the chimney and it looks awesome.
That's big. That's the smallest one he has.
I'll go double check.
Okay, let me get the screws.
You look very enthused, Gabriel. No. We are officially lighting our first mini fire in the fireplace.
The test fire.
The test fire, yes.
We will not be leaving it a fire next to this pile of wood here, dear.
No. That would not be
checking
smart.
out whether the draft is any good or if we gotta add a lot more height to the pipe outside.
Yep.
Sometimes it takes a minute to get the hot air working up the pipe and then it...
Hoping this sucker will keep us warm this winter.
Just had all been some
We'll
light.
see. That's why we gotta get some good wood like oak and hickory to put in here.
It has finally come time to figure out the back of this fireplace. All the rocks that have been collected are now trying to be stacked in a way that they don't fall out. Hopefully we have enough. We might have to get some more, huh?
Got a long ways to go. But we know that it's possible. Happy little stones.
Happy little stones in their new home. We are down at the creek finding more rocks. I think Chuck just found a really good one.
Gotta find
Ooh, that's a good one.
Oh, trophy.
That is a trophy. Very nice one.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
We have found quite a few rocks.
This is the honey hole.
The honey hole. Just don't.
There was a rock slide right here
Yeah.
at some point from up there.
So we're probably going to be replacing some of the ones that we've already worked on with the ones that we have just found. We've got lots of them. He-Man.
This is your mantle, right?
That will be for the mantle in the cabin.
She's a heavy one.
Got some good ones. Chuck is already hard at work replacing the rocks that we put in place yesterday with the new ones that we chose. Ooh,
Back to the drawing board on
I like it.
this.
Chuck has called it finished. We just gotta add little stones in between and then a little bit larger mantle. It's awesome, babe. Super cool. Very unique.
Yeah, I don't see how many guys can stay, but we got a big Jenga pile here. Waiting to happen one night, midnight, one night when we're sound asleep. Crash.
Let's hope that does not happen.
Okay.
Okay, now we
Let's
gotta
get
clean up
this.
the mess. Our first official snow on the ranch. Ooh, I'm not dressed very well for this. Oh my God, a big chunk of snow just fell down my back. It's a blizzard! Oh, that's chilly. Gabriel has gotten us stuck.
You told me to pull.
So to slow down. I wanted to get a picture of the view. We tried to winch it out and it was going to tear down that fence, so we decided that we would call Chuck and have him come with the truck to get us out of here. Here comes Chuck to rescue us. We need some better sleds. Go Chuck, go! Go Chuck, go!
Well, and my part is to tell you to hit the like button and subscribe button if you really like what's going on. She's doing an amazing job. She works so hard at these, and I just hope you really enjoy them. I know a lot of people do.
And we appreciate your support.
Yeah,
so.
no doubt, no doubt. Wishing y'all Happy New Year.
Yes.
Really looking forward to 2022. We've got so many things in store this year that it's going to be better than ever. So.
Yeah, we're starting to map out where the first horse barn and fence is going
right.
to be. So be on the lookout for that coming
You
up.
got it. See you soon.